Alright guys, so this is the easiest airdrop that you can ever participate on this month of March 2026, and one of the best parts of this particular project and their airdrop is that they are already listed on several market exchanges including Binance. Alright, so the name of this project is called Horizon and their token is called ZEN. So currently I'm live on Binance and you can see their token right here, already trading around $5.4. Alright, so this is the token that you are going to be getting when you participate on this given airdrop. And one good thing about this particular project and their airdrop is that all the tasks that you are required to complete, you can complete all of them within just 30 minutes. All right, so 30 minutes is even too much for you to complete all the tasks, and the task doesn't expire, meaning that even if you are starting today, you can still go ahead to complete all the tasks that you need to complete before you qualify to receive this airdrop. Like I already said, the airdrop is ending on the 31st of March 2026, and over here guys, this made this tweet right here on their X account. You can see that this project is followed by a lot of trusted projects including Binance and the rest. So over here guys, on this last announcement that they made right here, they said that they said NXP through ecosystem quest and convert them later for token reward, staking boost and exclusive assets. They say that the season 1 is going to be ending on the 31st of March, meaning that you still have about 7 days to participate on this given airdrop, and within just 24 hours you can complete all the tasks. If you are fast enough, 30 minutes is enough. So right now let me take you to their website. I'm going to be leaving the link to their website right there on the video description box. So once you click on the video description box, you are going to be brought right here. Currently I've earned about 600 XP. Remember, this XP that I've earned right here is what's going to be converted later to the actual ZEN token. All right, so and currently one ZEN is trading above $5. So over here, these are the tasks. As you can see right here, I've completed all of them. We have the onboarding task, we have the referral task, we have the social task, and we have the engagement task. So over here guys, if you are holding their token, if you are holding about 10 ZEN token in your wallet, you are going to be getting 10 points every single day. And one of the best parts of this particular airdrop is that influencers cannot get the lion's share. Once you have referred up to 500 persons into this particular project, you can't even refer up to that, but you can do that if you want to. But what I'm actually trying to let you know is that once you get up to 500 XP, okay, no matter how many people you refer, once you get 500 XP, you will not get XP again, even if you continue referring other people. So this is the reason why the influencers cannot get the highest share of this airdrop, because they cannot use their influence to get the highest cut from this airdrop, as it is capped to 500 XP for the highest amount of referral you can ever get. All right, so looking over here, you can see the highest person right here only have around 930 XP. You can imagine that, and I believe that was because the person is holding more than 10 ZEN token and he is earning 10 ZEN every he's earning 10 XP every single day. All right, so looking over here, you can see I'm currently on the 252 on the leaderboard, and I have about 600 XP. If you watch the last video that I made concerning this particular project, this was the same XP I had that time. That was because I've already got up to 500 XP from my referral. So no matter how many people that I kept on referring, it cannot go beyond that, and that has actually made this airdrop to be a very nice one, and it's definitely going to be paying massively. So over here, like I already said, the token is already trading around $5.5 and it's trading on all the major exchanges including Mexi, Binance, Bybit, Coinbase, all the major exchanges that you can ever think of. This particular token is already trading there. So what are you waiting for? Check out the video description box to actually get the link to this particular website so that you can join today, earn your XP, and wait until after the 31st of March. Then we are going to be claiming our airdrop, and we are going to be exchanging it for USDT, later which we can convert it to Naira or any local currency of your country and use the money for whatever you want. All right, remember, more of this type of updates are still going to be dropped. So if you're watching the video right now and you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do well to click on the subscription button down below, and do well to like this video if you find it interesting. Let me know your thoughts on the comment section. Let me know the type of airdrop that you are currently farming. Let us know right there in the comment section so that people can join you and farm that particular airdrop. All right, so thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll be talking to you guys on the next video that I'm going to be dropping very soon.